Hello guys and welcome back to another video of Twin Magic. In this video we're gonna again it's a prediction car magic trick that you can fool anyone that you like. It's so easy, and yeah, and we should add this that the winner of our giveaway is @ Easter egg detective. We think so, and we will tell him or her in the comment section too. And if you are watching this video, please send them Gmail and message to huradj@gmail.com. So yeah, let's get started, and here's the performance. You start to shuffle the cards. So yeah. So now we will make a prediction, but the spectator should not see it. And yeah, and we should not show it to the camera, and be sure that we don't touch or change anything. So yeah, don't touch anything. Now you start to shuffle the cards too. So yeah, now we tell the spectator that we want to make two piles and put the top cards right here. Okay, like this. Now it tells us like how many cards want to be on this pile. Is it 3, 3, 3, 2? They can say 4, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and yeah, one card each way. Right now. Start to shuffle this pile and focus on it. Okay, and for this pile too. So yeah, now we will turn the first cards of each pile. 6 of diamonds and the ace of spades. Okay, now right now we need, we should do something. Look at this card. It's 6 of diamonds. We don't need a suit, we just need a number. It's 6. And this card, the suit, we don't need a number, we just need a suit. It's spades. Now we combine it together and it's 6 of spades. So yeah, we make a prediction, and it is 6 of spades. So let's see the tutorial of this cool trick. For this trick, we don't need any setup or anything. Okay, and we can shuffle the card. Okay, well now for our prediction we should go and see the top cards, the two top cards. Look, we should look at the 5 of this one and the suit of this one. In this case it's 5 of spades, and we should go and but you have to notice that if the first two cards was like this, the suits was like each other, again you should shuffle the cards. Okay, and you just tell the spectator I want to make everything clear and fair, and again start to shuffle it. So yeah, now we'll look for 5 of spades. If we find it, because our deck is not complete, that was 5 of clubs, 5 of spades. We hope that we have it. Or we didn't have it, it's okay. We can use these two cards. We imagine that this was the top card. The 5 of the 5 of spades. Yeah, again this one. Yeah, I mean, so shuffle the cards. Okay, 5 of, again it was like that. Yeah, it was like that. It should not be 5 and a club right now. So this one too, we cannot choose two cards like this. If we do this, then the prediction will be 4 of like club, but we can predict a card from these two top cards. So yeah, again we can do that. Right now it's Queen of Heart. Hope that this card be in the deck. Queen of Heart. Yeah, right now. So our prediction will be this one. And we should do some fake shuffles. And well, yeah. So yeah, now we'll tell them that you should turn it into two piles. And this is the first card is Queen of Spades. The next one is Five of Spades. Five of Hearts. Sorry. And again, it's not important. Actually, this is not important. This is just for the it will turn the magic cooler and greater. And now we do a fake shuffle. It's really not a fake shuffle, kinda. We just turn the last card into the first card. I mean, we no focus on it. No, we shuffle the cards one by one. The card left will be top at the top right now. And again, for this one, we're gonna use that. We're gonna go one by one, or for the first card, we can go for many cards, and then after that, one by one. So now we tell them that we will turn the first cards here. Now look at the number. It's queen. Now look at the suit. It's heart. Now we combine it and it is Queen of Hearts. So yeah, we tell them that we made a prediction and it was Queen of Hearts. So yeah, this was a magic. It was really good. Again, we congratulations to our winner. So again, we tell them that tell her or him to send the message to this Gmail hurad@gmail.com. So yeah, it was great. Please share, like, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to see our next videos. Have a nice day and goodbye.